I need to switch insurance companies. Which one would you switch to? Great question. We get it all the time, is who's the best insurance out there? Well, I will tell you that there's some really great insurance companies and there's some not so great insurance companies. And not to name names, but the insurance companies that do all the advertising on television are typically not the ones that are for you. So tonight, when you go home and you watch television, if you see this insurance company, and then tomorrow night you see them again, those are probably not the insurance companies that you want. They're more of a marketing company, right? I personally used to have one of these big insurance companies out there, and we completely switched because they basically just started telling everyone, deny the claim, and let's see what happens. It stinks, and a lot of people say insurance is a racket. It's not all the time a racket. There are some really good things. So what I suggest doing is hire a broker, hire someone that's going to shop around all these different insurance companies and give you, hey, here's the list. I have a group of people that I would recommend to you that you can reach out to. Shoot me an email. You can find my email on our website. The other thing you can do is when you get all the estimates, make sure that it is a replacement cost value insurance policy and that you have code upgrades in your policy. A lot of insurance companies, like let's say you got 5 quotes and one guy's at 500, one guy's at 600, one guy's at 700. What typically happens is the guy at 500 took off a bunch of things to make his price not 700. So you really have to know that. So find an insurance broker that you trust, let you know, hey, this is what I want. So if I'm buying insurance right now, I'm looking at these 3 things. I'm saying, is it an RCV policy? Does it have code upgrades? Are they all over marketing? If they're all over marketing, there's a chance that they're not going to be the greatest insurance company for you. And the reason we all have insurance is in the event of a storm, a house fire, a water loss. You don't want to have issues with that insurance company. 20 years in the roofing industry, there's a lot of really not so great insurance companies where you got to battle them. And who wants to battle insurance? I had a pipe burst. I need this to get fixed and I want to get it fixed fast.